everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome back. If you've been here before, I'm Beautiful Love Forever, aka Tay. Thank you for joining me. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm going to use the SheGlam dual-sided eyebrow pencil in chocolate, and it has two sides. I'm going to use one side to line the top and bottom parts of my brows, and I'm going to use the other side to fill them in. Next, I'm just cleaning up my brows and like defining them, and I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Deep Chestnut on top just because it's more of my complexion, and I'm using the Ulta Beauty Full Coverage Concealer in Medium Warm at the bottom. Also, if you're watching and you're not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell and you click all so be alerted of my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. And also please make sure to click the like button on my shorts and videos, and also comment because I would love to hear from you all. Now I'm moving on to my eyes. I'm going to use the Juvia's Place Concealer in 16 and set it with the ABA Setting Powder in Deep Peach. Next, I'm using Juvia's Place the Rebel Grays eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to take that dark gray shade and put that in my crease. Now I'm using the Essence Welcome to Sin City eyeshadow palette, and I'm using the 4th shade in the palette. I didn't show it because some of the shades, including that one, is just mixing in with other ones. But yeah, they're real pigmented, the shades are, and I just took that shade and put it on my lids. For my lashes, I'm using the Ioni Natural Light Wispy Lashes, and I'm using the House of Lashes Eyelash Glue. To make sure there's no gap showing where I put my lashes, I'm going to use the Sephora eye pencil, and I'm also going to use the Essence Get Big Lashes Volume Boost Mascara. onto my face, I'm going to use the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. Next, I'm using the Everyday Humans Rose from Above Mineral Sunscreen. For primer, I'm using the Touch and Soul No Pore Blem Primer. To correct the dark spots on my face and neck, I'm using the e.l.f. Orange Camo Color Corrector. For foundation, I'm using the Uma by Sharon C Skin Perfecting Foundation in Bronze Venus T5. For some more coverage, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Deep Chestnut again. I use this on top of my brows to define them, but I'm just going to put it the same place where I put the orange corrector at. To highlight, I'm using the Ultra Beauty Full Coverage Concealer in Medium Warm, and I'm just putting this all the places where the light will naturally hit my face. While that concealer is sitting, I'm going to use the Beauty Babe Bronzer in Chestnut, and I'm going to use this to bronze my face and contour my nose. Now I'm using the Huda Beauty setting powder and cinnamon bun to set where I had that concealer at, and also to do reverse contouring. Next, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Powder Foundation in the shade 440 as my all over face powder. For my blush, I'm using the Beauty Babe Blush in Coral. For my highlighter, I'm using the ABH highlighter in Peach Fizz. Moving on to my lips, I'm going to use the LA Colors Holographic Lip Gloss in Sugar, and I'm also going to use the Juvia's Place Lip Liner in Brownie. To set my face, I'm using the Morphe Katina Setting Mist. And that is it for this makeup tutorial. Hope you all enjoyed this metallic eyeshadow look that I did. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you're not subscribed, make sure you hit the bell and click all so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. So I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Also, please make sure to click the like button on my shorts and videos and comment, because I would love to hear from you all. If you have any suggestions for makeup looks, please let me know so that I can do them. Everything I use will be listed in the description box, was on my social media handles. And I appreciate each and every one of you watching. Thank you so much. I'll see you all on the next one. Make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.